Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your Dodge Grand Caravan, 2011 to 2019? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 2011 and 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box, also known as the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is located next to the battery. It controls and protects circuits for the engine management, ignition, fuel system, and transmission modules. The box also safeguards systems like ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and power accessories. This ensures dependable power distribution for both critical performance functions and essential safety features. In the 2013 to 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box, called the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is mounted beside the battery. It manages and protects circuits for the engine control, ignition, fuel delivery, and transmission systems. The fuse box also covers essential features like ABS, radiator fans, headlights, and power outlets. This setup ensures reliable operation of both vital engine functions and key safety and convenience systems. In the 2017 to 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan, the engine compartment fuse box, known as the Totally Integrated Power Module, TIPM, is located next to the battery. It safeguards circuits for the engine control, ignition, fuel system, and transmission functions. The box also protects systems such as ABS, cooling fans, headlights, and power accessories. This design ensures stable power distribution for essential performance, safety, and convenience features.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.